In this video, I'll show you how to use document sharing permissions in ClickUp. To get started, open the ClickUp doc you want to share. Document sharing permissions let you control who can access your doc and what they can do with it. In the upper right corner of the doc, click Share. The sharing window will open, showing the people who currently have access to the doc. To give someone access, enter their name or email address. Choose the appropriate permission level for that person, such as can edit, can view, or can comment, depending on the options available in your workspace. Review the sharing permissions, then click Send Invite before closing the window to make sure the right people have the appropriate level of access. Using document sharing permissions helps you keep your ClickUp docs organized while controlling who can view, comment, or edit your information. And that's how to use document sharing permissions in ClickUp. I hope this video is useful, and if you have any questions, make sure to comment down below.